Welcome you all for the IHW Natural Medicine YouTube channel. This is my first disease video about asthma. So subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get more and more notification. So let's go through asthma. Asthma is a type of condition which blocks the airways of lungs. That is a long-lasting inflammatory disease. This is a picture of a lung. So in here you can see a normal bronchial tube, and this is a asthma inflamed bronchial tube. Let's study the symptoms of asthma. Symptoms of this disease vary from person to person. Most common symptoms of asthma are breathlessness, audible wheezing, tightness of chest, persistent coughing. Patients usually exhibit very low systolic blood pressure and abnormally rapid breathing during an attack. Wheezing sounds may accompany both inspiration and expiration, or when only in expiration. Let's learn the causes of asthma. The causes of asthma are difficult to identify, but it is mostly probably due to either genetic or environmental factors. Let's further identify the factors which can affect for the asthma. Mostly asthma caused by allergies. What are the allergen factors that can affect for the asthma? Asthma triggered by a dust mite allergy. It can damage the DNA in lung cells. The ability of cells to repair this damage may determine the disease severity. This picture shows a dust mite photograph. Animal dander can affect for the develop the respiratory effects of asthma. Then it begins to develop the effect hours afterward. Pollen is a common trigger of asthma and produces its effects by means of allergy. It is also commonly known as allergen. Molds acts as an allergen. It also can go through the respiratory tract. When a person inhales tobacco smoke, irritating substances settle in the moist lining of the airways. These substances can cause an attack in a person who has asthma. In addition, tobacco smoke damages tiny hair-like structures in the airway called cilia. Normally, cilia sweep dust and mucus out of the airways. Other forms of air pollution may also trigger your asthma. Small particles in the air can pass through your nose or mouth and get into your lungs. Airborne particles found in haze, smoke and airborne dust present serious air quality problems. People with asthma are at greater risk from breathing in small particles. Not only does having asthma increase the odds of getting sinus infection, but a sinus infection can make your asthma harder to control. Too much of extreme emotional responses makes your immune low, so it too can affect asthma condition. During exercise and physical activity, you will often breathe more quickly through your mouth, causing cold and dry air to travel to your lungs, irritating the airways. The cold and dry air can cause the muscles around the airways to tighten, increasing the chance of experiencing an asthma flare-up. Asthmatic persons sensitive to aspirin. Aspirin causes the body to produce excess amounts of class of chemicals known as leukotrienes. This stomach acid that leaks back into esophagus creates a chain reaction leading to asthma symptoms. The reflux gastric acid irritates the nerve ending in the esophagus, generating signals to the brain. Subsequently, the brain responds with impulses to the lungs that stimulate the muscles and mucus production in the airways. So, this may affect asthma attack. Other factors like dietary insufficiencies in vitamin C and E and omega-3 fatty acids. Factors such as motherhood at a young age, poor maternal nutrition, lack of breastfeeding, premature birth, and low birth weight have also been associated with the development of asthma. Let's know about the prevention of asthma. While there is no prevention for asthma, the symptoms and asthma attack can be managed through regular monitoring and treatment. Identify the triggers. Triggers could be exercise, certain food, pollen. Follow medication as prescribed. Learn proper use of inhalers, including cleaning the inhaler. Carry the inhaler and medicines to a place while traveling to get an immediate relief during the attack. Monitor your breathing often, it helps in controlling the symptoms. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get more notifications.